Back to the channel, guys. In this video, let's go through this really interesting Python script that goes through all of the projects. It goes through the all of the permissions and all of the project roles that are being, and also the users that are being part of these specific project roles. And also, as an extra feature, it exports it into the CSV so you can really see what's going on in there. So imagine you need to do this for every single project. All right, so the first is to actually go through some of the global permissions, basically, but it's actually going through the permission schemes themselves. It goes all the way to getting the projects themselves, and as you can see, it's using the appropriate API call for this. And also getting the project roles as well, and then defining the project permissions. All right, let me expand this a bit more and let's just go with it. All right, so it's going to take some time because it's going to go through all of the projects. The thing is, in add-ons project access, so this specific project role must be there. And it must be there for a very specific reason, because without it, any app that you install on your Jira instance is not going to work correctly. So I would advise you to not touch this permission at all. So this instance has a bunch of projects in here. So it's basically going through all of them. It's actually listing them out. And when it's done, it will actually export it into the CSV, which I will show you later on how that works. It's not really something that is complicated, but if we actually scroll down in here, we're going to see that there are going to be some of the rows in here that have been written, which are going to be scope, project scheme, permission, role itself, and either the user or the group itself. So if we actually take this, for example, let's say security operations, we have Atlassian add-ons project access. It has a lot of these apps in here, and they need to be there. So that's the thing. Also, this is one of our project roles in here, and we can exactly see who belongs to this project role. This right here, this is a group that is being defined in there. And also we have service desk customers. We have a service desk customer. We also have who are the administrators in here, and we can actually see that there is a group of site admins that has been added in here, and JSM demo agents. We also have for the members, which are AI Buddy and Jennifer Evans, for example. And that is what this script actually does. And in the end, it exports it into the permissions audit. So if you can actually see it in here, it's basically here, but it's not gonna show it really in a clear way, because in a VS Code, it's kind of messier. So I'm gonna be uploading this. So let me just find where it is. And there we go. So I'm just gonna upload this. And as you can see, this is how it looks like, but I'm going to open this with Google Sheets. So it looks in much more clear way. So we have it in here. So this is what we have. The project is indeed of a scope, and it goes with the scope, and then you actually have this. So one of the other things that basically you can do here is, so yeah, there is a lot of those. Yeah, sorry if I'm actually doing this in a wrong way. The users of the Excel would be like, Jesus, this guy doesn't know how to use it at all. But now I can go here and I can say, you know what, I want only to be able to see my sales project, platform development, mobile program. Just show me that. And let's say in here, I don't want Atlassian add-ons because it's kind of annoying. I want to see who are the members and who the administrators are. And boom. This is what I get, and this is the whole idea on how this script actually works. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description for the public repository where I'm gonna be storing most of these Python scripts in Jira, and this is for Jira Cloud only. That is the thing that I want to add. That you can actually clone and use it for your own purposes. All right, so that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.